Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the 5 best navigation apps for Android to help you get around easily, whether you're driving, walking, biking, or using public transport. Let's get started. First up is Google Maps. It's the most popular navigation app out there. You get turn-by-turn directions, live traffic updates, multiple routes, street view, and even offline maps, perfect for everyday travel. Next is Waze. This is a community-powered app where drivers share real-time traffic updates, accidents, police alerts, and road hazards to help you avoid delays. After that comes Here We Go. It's known for strong offline support. You can download full regions and navigate without internet, which is great for traveling or areas with weak signal. Another great option is Maps.me. This app works fully offline and offers detailed maps, hiking routes, and points of interest, ideal for travelers and explorers. Finally, there's Sygic GPS Navigation. It's a premium app with high-quality offline maps, lane guidance, heads-up display options, and advanced navigation features without constant data use. So, those are the 5 best navigation apps for Android. Each one offers something different, so choose the one that fits your travel style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.